Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Your Samsung is unlocked and Bluetooth is on. Open the quick panel and enable Bluetooth. Make the phone discoverable if a prompt appears. Next, go straight into Settings, tap Connections, then Bluetooth. You're now viewing paired and available devices. Don't stop. Locate the three-dot menu or the device name you want to change. This initial path gets you into the exact screen where renaming is possible, so continue without detours. Once on the Bluetooth screen, tap the paired device or the settings gear next to your phone's listing and choose Rename or Edit. Enter a concise name. Use model, location, or owner to avoid duplicates. Then, make sure the system name matches by going to Settings about Phone Edit Name. Some Samsung skins sync both names. Save changes and exit. This ensures other devices see the updated identifier, and it prevents confusion when multiple devices. You're almost done. Reconnect any paired device to confirm the new name shows up. If other devices still display the old name, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, or briefly enable airplane mode, then disable it. If that doesn't work, reboot the phone. This often flushes name caches. As a deeper fix, clear the Bluetooth app cache via Settings Apps, show System Apps Bluetooth Storage Clear Cache. That fixes persistent naming issues so your new name propagates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.